In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitize customer orders in ClickUp. If you are looking to bring your order management system into a more organized and digital workflow, this guide will help you set everything up in a clear and practical way so you can manage customer requests more efficiently. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official ClickUp website. You can either search for ClickUp or enter the website address directly. Once the page loads, go to the top right corner and select the Login option. ClickUp provides several sign-in methods, but for this process, choose Continue with Google. This method offers a secure and fast way to access your account without needing to manage additional login credentials. After signing in, you will arrive at your main dashboard. From here, look for the plus icon, which is typically located in the sidebar or the top navigation area. This icon is used to create new items and access different features within ClickUp. Click it, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Templates to continue. Inside the Templates section, you will find a library of pre-built workflows designed to help you get started quickly. Use the search bar and type Customer Onboarding to locate a relevant template. Browse through the available options and choose the one that best fits your business needs and order handling process. Once you select the Customer Onboarding template, ClickUp will show you a preview of its structure. This preview includes task lists, workflows, and timelines, so you can confirm that it aligns with how you manage customer orders. When you are satisfied, click Use Template to proceed. You may be asked to confirm your selection, so click Use Template again to finalize it. After the template has been added, take a moment to explore the Getting Started guide. This section provides helpful explanations of how the template is structured and how each part functions within your workflow, giving you a better understanding of how to use it effectively. Next, move into the Ongoing Customers section. This area is designed to help you track active customer orders, ensuring that nothing gets missed or overlooked during the process. Finally, go into the Onboarding Process section. Here you can begin customizing the workflow to match your specific business needs. You can adjust tasks, update timelines, and refine details so everything reflects your real-world operations. And that is it. You have successfully digitized your customer orders in ClickUp, creating a more structured and efficient system for managing your business. The more you explore and adjust the platform, the more powerful your workflow will become. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.